Patumi vosik ni phaing kora clear ni Assam Police atum ajur kiding kluipen kiripon cyber criminal aphan Morigaon along ne ingnang ponlo kaching nang chekabang phuamen Aminul Haq posi pangthek pon alangli ongdung cyber criminal asai along setami thedung kachirabdun do puta pangthek pon thu Morigaon Police asai kamatum Aminul Haq aphan kinep kangnang ponjia phan goroi mari arong sopialong sai kedeng pon boma porahut ari dengpen ahok he mobile sim card lakha pharo hinni ra thomkep ra nerkep an long ponlo Lapen aron repen cyber criminal asai ke claim ia hormo he hui sitami kangnang porahut nepon longlo Aminul Haq alang like inut cyber asai along ke thek serabang phulo alang la ke rapen ke ongdong araratum cyber security mate online security along ka phere me merapen ka sik sak setami dupiklo alang li phan kenep check lake cyber criminal network along ke na hok thepik an loputa dirta ripon lo Morigaon Police hinpen non malon cyber security along ka phere me ke dokoga jok cyber security hinpen RDP ponsi cyber crime ke pa jum pen ke pa vipon deje phanche sikpon alang ituma ke mang pon lake ka to ka ve rar tuma phan jogwan cubera home club na pen anutin araratum sitami amit hang information la pen online asai along kang hukang hia tumpen ke rai kompon hello Laposon si cyber security puthak Assam government hin pen kedam tang bosik ne phai inkoi arni cyber police station outpost ke parja ponji phan pachini ponlo Guwahati rong sopia long cyber police station ke langchari ponji lake deputy superintendent of police DSP angdeng officers atum Lapen halapu Dibrugarh lapen Silchar arong sopia long cyber police outpost along abangke officer in charge angdeng officers atumsi langchari pon popusi birta ripon long State Dex report, Caribbean Long Life.